Hello and welcome to our tutorial series for Erasmus outgoing students at the University of Stuttgart. In this video you will learn more about additional support opportunities such as the green top-up. If you are eligible to apply for a green top-up, please download the info sheet for the green top-up. This can be found in the left bar under My Application Data in the section Download Documents. You have to download the template for the honorary declaration here in the download area. You will then need this document in the later workflow step, which will be explained in more detail in a moment. In the info sheet for the green top-up, you will find additional information such as what are the criteria for applying for funding, how do I apply for the green top-up. In order to apply for the green top-up, you must commit to travel at least one way outbound or return using a sustainable way of transportation. You can apply for the additional funding by clicking on the green top-up step in your workflow in Mobility Online. Here you must confirm the download of the info sheet. If you want to apply for additional travel days, please click on Yes. Afterwards, you have to confirm that you have read and understood the information regarding the criteria, the application modalities and the proof requirement for the green top-up. Next, you indicate with which means of travel you are planning to travel. In the last step, you'll need the template of the honorary declaration that you previously downloaded from the download section. Print this template, sign the original and then upload it to Mobility Online. Please note that no changes are possible once you have filled in this section and confirmed it with saved details. Therefore, check again beforehand that all the information is correct and that you have selected the right document. Currently, the honorary declaration is sufficient as proof of eligibility. However, you must still be able to submit the honorary declaration and the travel receipts at any time upon request. We hope this video was helpful and may have even motivated you to travel green. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. We are always happy to help you and we wish you an unforgettable stay abroad.